How to sign up for a Netflix free trial. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website netflix.com. Once you're over here, click on the option Sign Up and provide your email address and click on Get Started. Now click on the option Send Link, or instead you can click on the option Create Password. Now generate password for your account and click on Next. Click on the option Next. You'll need to choose a plan from here. So here you're gonna find 4 types of plans: mobile, basic, standard, and premium. If you choose mobile, you'll need to pay $2.99 per month. If you choose basic, you'll need to pay $3.99 per month. If you choose standard, you'll need to pay $7.99, and if you choose premium, you'll need to pay $9.99. To get a free trial, you'll need to select basic plan. Then click on Next. Click on the option Keep Basic. Click on the option Credit or Debit Card. Now you'll need to provide these details. Once you fill out these, click on the option I agree and click on Start Membership. With that, you're gonna get 1 month free trial. So this is how you can sign up for a Netflix free trial. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.